address a couple of misconceptions that people either have coming into the knife world or develop as they're just starting to learn that are fine, and certainly, don't feel bad if you have these misconceptions, but your life tends to be a little bit better once you're able to move past them and understand the world in a little bit of a better way. So I just kind of want to dive into it. Experienced knife people, a lot of this probably is going to be news, and although there are certainly level of nuances, and if you disagree with something I said or want to add something, feel free to down in the comments below. But these are little things that a lot of folks kind of have trouble with, and so let's go on ahead and jump into it and address some very common misconceptions people come into the knife world with, or develop along the way. One of the first roads people go down as they get into the hobby is, oh my God, steel is the most important thing. And absolutely 100%, the steel of a knife is important because it gives you valuable characteristics. It gives you things like the toughness of a steel. It gives you stainlessness. It gives you edge holding, and even sharpenability. All of those different things are very, the steel choice there has a strong effect on those things. And certainly, bad steel is important. If you are using bad steel, you will not be able to get great performance. You won't be able to get a great edge, etc. If you're using things like 3CR, 4CR, or something like that, if you're using surgical stainless, which isn't really a thing, that's just, we don't want to tell you what the steel is because you'll laugh. So they put surgical stainless on the outside there. There are lots of bad steels out there in the world, but by and large, most modern pocket knives are pretty much good to go. And you'll get a really good selection of steels that are really good to go, that are excellent. You get